Court will call 2015-358, State of Arkansas versus Nicholas Roos. Also is calling 2015-353 and 2015-355, the State of Arkansas versus Nicholas Roos is the style of each of those cases as well. Mr. Roos, can you hear the court?
Yeah.
And
Yes,
are you able to see the courtroom as you sit there?
For the most part, yeah, it's a little blurry.
At the podium here is counsel, is a public defender, the head of the Public Defenders Commission, who will be in charge of appointing representation for you and your co-defendants, and he will be handling this part of the process for the defense in this case.
Your Honor, may I state that I understand an indigency determination was not made for Mr. Roos in 355, but I think the court can acknowledge his prior indigency status.
Well, it's, yes.
And I have beside me Catherine Street and Terry Chambers, attorneys with our office who will be representing Mr. Roos. And with that, with the permission of the court, I will stand aside and let them handle this proceeding further if that's permissible.
Okay, and just so I've got it down, what were the names?
Catherine Street, S-T-R-E-E-T-T.
All right.
And Terry Chambers, T-E-R-I, Chambers, Your Honor.
All right.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Judge, we'd waive reading of the charges
Very good.
and would enter not guilty pleas on behalf of our client.
All right. For purposes of the record, the court, unsealing the information long enough to advise the client that the charges in this matter are capital murder, a Class Y felony, arson, a Class Y felony, 2 counts, aggravated robbery, Class Y felony, theft of property, Class B felony, and theft of property, Class D felony. That's in case 2000. That's in the case 2015-358. In 2015-353, the charge is residential burglary, Class B felony, commercial burglary, Class C felony, breaking or entering, Class D felony, theft of property, Class C felony, theft of property, Class A misdemeanor, possession of drug paraphernalia, Class D felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia, Class A misdemeanor. In case 2015-355, there is a separate charge against you, Mr. Roos, of commercial burglary, a Class C felony. The court is noting for the record that a plea of not guilty is being entered on each of the charges, and formal waiver of the charges, waiver of the reading of the charges has been made. All right, I'll make that, if everybody's in agreement, I'm making it the order of this court that Mr. Roos' next appearance before this court on all 3 of these cases will be on January 7th of 2016.